yo. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Another one. Another one. You get me? Today we're gonna do some, yeah? Read it. When I can read, quick, tasty meals. So, quick seasoning. I have a turmeric. You have a Gran Clemento. Liquid Maggi seasoning in the house. Some aromat. Little soya. And little everyday. Get me? Little everyday seasoning. Nothing too crazy. And then obviously some pre-chapped. Yeah? You know what that is? You know what that is? You know what that is? God, I'll wait. Spring onions, scallions, however you want to call it, man. Sweet peppers, but them no regular bell peppers. They're from, you get me, the Spice Island, yeah? You smell that 473's finest, and then some regular onions for the mix up. So, we go lightly season up these prawns, man. We go lightly go season them up. Get the flavors popping. No measurements, man. No measurements.
Are you serious?
Taste and test. Taste and test as we go. That's how we get the flavors for days, you know? Yeah. That's it. We gonna mix this motherfucker up, man. Yeah. What's happening, man?
Come on, man. Flavors for days. What's on the menu?
What's on the menu? We gonna do a quick prawns.
Quick prep here.
Quick.
So you got all the flavors.
Let's see, man. We might have some spinach turn up like the last time. But we don't know. Like I said, man, there's no recipes to this, man.
Quick thing.
It's a quick whip up. Taste and test.
Them ones there, the freestyle ones. Them ones they normally slap different still.
100%.
Slap different.
100%, man. 473 shit, you know. And we lazy. No, I'm playing. We ain't lazy. We're being efficient, man.
We're lazy, man. If we're lazy, we'll be in bed.
Yeah.
I know some of you.
The lazy man garlic. That's what they call it.
I know some of you because in bed. Y'all don't even know what day or time it is.
Tell them.
What are y'all doing? Look, I'm in my work uniform. You can't even see me. On my birthday, gonna get that paper, baby.
That's Chef Q money in the background, man.
Paper.
You heard him, right?
Alright, new videos coming Sunday. I'm back in the kitchen Sunday.
You said Sunday.
Back in the kitchen.
What are you whipping up for them on Sunday?
I've got a special little breakfast special thing for you lot. Healthy stuff. Nice little homemade drink and a breakfast wrap. Sunday, stay locked in.
You see it there? Yeah?
Sunday, stay locked in.
Ready to eat, you know? You ready? Let's dash that to the side for a minute, man. We have fire. And we have a little bit of oil in the pot. Lightly season up this oil, man. Lightly season it up. Gotta season the oil, man. You're gonna see why in a minute, though. Let this heat up and extract the flavors. Stay locked here for the next step, man. We're about to test this oil, man. Let's see if it's ready. Let's see what's going on. There we go. Remember, if it ain't sizzling, it ain't gonna hit. It ain't right. You already know about this, innit? The wooden spoon. If it ain't making the sound, man, that ain't it. It ain't right. Yeah? Extract the flavors. Saute this. Get ready for the prawns. Like I said, man, quick, high protein, meal preps. That's what we're dealing with today. Another one for them. Another one for you. And you. And you. And your friend. You tell your other friend. And make sure to tell your other friend too. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, hit me up, man. I'll private message you exact ingredients, even the step-by-step process of how to create, yeah, this meal. So we're sauteing, as they say, you know, sauteing. It's a concussion up, man, getting it ready.
Hey yo, that smell.
Hey yo, man. What's all the noise, man?
Hey yo, that smell. Yo.
Yes, sir.
I know you look at see it, yeah, but the smell, hey, mad thing. Flavors for days.
That's that.
You get me?
That's that 473 sauce.
That one there, official, verified by the Flavors for Days, man. Yeah? Them peppers are from, well, Grenada, innit?
Yeah. Different aroma.
Fresh on the plane, not even the boat, like. Fresh on the plane, man. Look at that boat thing anymore, man. 2026 right here.
You see it there?
Fresh.
It look like the Scotch, you know. This ain't got nothing like the Scotch. This ain't nothing like the Scotch, man.
Scotch bonnet that.
See there?
They call it sweet pepper. You say it's sweet.
Man, woo! Let's get it. I think it's about time, you know. We dashing the, yeah. We dashing them there in the pot. We don't like a little bit of seafood. Quick, nutritious, tasty, flavoursome. All of the above, nothing below.
Nice.
Let's go, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. And don't forget, press that bell. Turn the notifications on. We gonna have you entertained, man. Look what I found. Yeah? The unwashed. You know we have to put some in there, innit? The unwashed spinach, but let's fix this, man. You have to get it washed up first, though. Come on, man. What is he talking about, man? Chef Muller up in this, man. Go and let it, you know, let it absorb in the flavours and the nutrients. Lock it. And it's just like that. Yeah? Spinach in that pot. What you saying? Jasmine in that pot today as well? Or we gonna try something different? If it ain't broken, man, you might try to fix it, innit? Jasmine in the pot, you know. Just have to use the wooden spoon and mix up all the flavours and, yeah, get this shit right, man. If it ain't right, it ain't right. If it ain't right, it ain't right. So, like I said, very easy, very simple, very quick, very tasty, very nutritious, high protein meal prep, which you can make throughout your busy schedule. There's no excuses to eat rubbish at a road on. You can whip up something so tasty and nutritious. How we looking? How we looking? How we looking? How we looking? I know you want this. Come get it. It's almost ready. Yeah? Smoky. And there you have it. Quick prawns, jasmine, spinach, rice. There's some 473 spices up in there too. Can't forget that. Yeah, like I said, man, if you want the ingredients, step-by-step instructions, hit me up. I'll privately send it to you. Let's get it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, press the bell, all that good stuff.